back in the days when black men knew their place was in the bag. But this rebel he walked through Napoleon, who thought it wasn't very nice. And so today, my brothers in Haiti, they still pay the price. Yeah, yeah. Haiti, I'm sorry. We misunderstood. One day we turn our heads and look inside you. Haiti, I'm sorry. Haiti, I'm sorry. One day we turn our heads, restore your glory. Many hands reach out to St. George's and are still reaching out to those frightened policemen of Pretoria. We still scream and shout. We came together in song to steady the horn of America. But the Papa Law come and the baby Law go, and still we don't seem to care. No, no. Haiti, I'm sorry. Oh, we misunderstood you. But one day we turn our heads and look inside you. Haiti, I'm sorry. Hey, Haiti, I'm sorry. One day we turn our heads, restore your glory. When there is anguish in border